Hey hustlers, before we dive into today's exciting topic, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future videos right here on the Monthly Hustle. In recent years, the surge in AI technology has been nothing short of revolutionary, altering landscapes from healthcare to finance and yes, even the job market. Now let's talk about AI side hustles. What are they? Simply put, these are opportunities that leverage artificial intelligence to create new streams of income. With AI, the possibilities of side hustles are expanding exponentially. Traditionally, starting a side hustle meant having specific skills, finding the right market, and countless hours of hard work with uncertain outcomes. But AI, it's changing all that. It's democratizing entrepreneurship, making it accessible to anyone with a computer and internet connection. Let's explore some real AI side hustle ideas. First, chatbot creation. Help businesses automate conversations and improve customer service. Or how about data labeling? Essential for training AI models. And then there's AI tutoring. Assist students in subjects like coding and math through AI-driven platforms. Now picture this. Sarah, a former school teacher, leveraged her teaching skills to develop an AI tutoring program. In just 6 months, what started as a small project turned into a thriving business, doubling her income. Sarah's story is not just inspiring, it's a testament to the power of AI in transforming lives. So, what's the takeaway? AI side hustles aren't just a trend, they're a new frontier in the gig economy. They offer flexibility, scalability, and importantly, accessibility, making it easier than ever to earn extra income or even replace your day job. Feeling inspired? Think an AI side hustle might be for you? Dive into the opportunities this new era brings. Check out the link in the description below for more information, and don't forget to drop your thoughts on AI side hustles in the comments. Remember, the future is not to be predicted, it's to be created. Let's create it together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights right here on the Monthly Hustle. Catch you in the next video.